If you like Porsche's answer to the arms race going on in the supercar world at the time, you had the Ferrari F40, there's the McLaren F1, but this is the real answer, the 993 GT2. It's technically a 959 technology and the 911 turbo, but lighten it off. A proper race car for the street. It is also the last air-cooled 911s ever. This Hot Wheels version from 2017 is pretty solid. The orange paint is good, but it's a little larger than 164. Good thing it has full painted details like the Porsche logo, a license plate, pretty sweet, and that awesome plastic lens headlights, which most likely be part of the plastic windows. Some of the lines are deep, but not so much for the flared fenders. Lace wheels are at the right size for the car, it's not oversized like the other wheel design. Adding the taillights completes the styling of this car. This was the weakest point of this casting before. License plate on the bumper and dual split exhaust tips. A high-mounted rear wing looks flamboyant, but it fits the aggressive nature of this GT2. In typical Hot Wheels fashion, it is molded with the body, so it results in a very thick look. Black plastic interior looks decent with tinted windows to go along with that nicely shaped side mirrors. There's a roll cage inside, which will remind you that this is a race car. Look closely to these extended wheel arches. The lines and bolt doesn't show up the way it should be. It does show off on the rear a little bit, then disappears mysteriously. Underneath is a plastic chassis with some detail like the flat six engine, mufflers, and rear control arms. And that concludes this video of the Porsche 993 GT2. I think this is an excellent casting for most Porsche fans, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.